Hello, I hope you are doing good. So our today's topic is how to get 7+ bands in IELTS. If you want to take the IELTS test, make sure you spend enough time increasing your general English level to get more speed. Choose a realistic and achievable goal. To obtain a satisfactory IELTS band score, it is necessary to be realistic. Follow a regular study plan. Be regular in your practice, and give yourself a rest between tasks. Take every opportunity to listen to English whenever and wherever you can. Increase your personal speed. In the IELTS test, time is your enemy. Candidates who have taken the test and did not perform as well as they had hoped often complain that they were unable to give all the answers in the listening test, because the tape was too fast, and that they ran out of time in the reading test. Increase your sentence reading speed. The faster and more accurately you read, the more questions you will be able to answer. Develop a memory for English. In the reading test, it pays to remember as much as you can of what you have just read. Manage your time carefully. The listening subtest. The tape is heard once only, and the questions are answered as you listen. The golden rule of IELTS. The golden rule is always give the monkey exactly what he wants. In other words, your answer to a question must be exactly what is required. Read the instructions carefully. Candidates who do not read or listen to the instructions carefully may believe they are saving time. But the instructions contain vital information which must be understood in order to answer correctly. Always look at the example. The example is given to you for a number of very good reasons. It is important to read and/or listen to the example carefully. Use question keywords to find the answer. The keywords or key phrases in the questions help you in your search for the answers. This is true for both the listening and reading subtests. That's it from today's video. I hope you found it helpful. For more interesting videos, subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.